Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hull Printing Inc. In today's really quick video, I just want to show you guys a quick way and actually a really efficient way of shipping out your DTF sheets. Now, if you're printing out DTF sheets for either clients or you just want to ship out a DTF sheet to somebody, I found out a very effective way to do it. Previously, we used to use boxes, so stuff like this would have done the case, but you know, we would have to either slim it down or use this box, but we're wasting a lot of space, you know. The perfect thing we found is to use something like this. So we use a mailer, and the way that we protect the sheet is that we place papers between the sheets so they don't stick together, obviously, but we put cardboard inside of the mailer, so like it's really hard, if you know what I mean. Like, it's not you can't like go through it or bend it. It's really like a solid thing. So this is the most efficient and productive way I found to, you know, ship out these DTF sheets. And actually how you can stack them is I made a video on how to store your DTF prints. The same actual principle applies when you're actually going to be shipping out these sheets. Only thing that you want to do is put some paper or any type of material between your sheets so they don't stick together. This was a really quick video on how to ship DTF sheets. I haven't seen a video online on how to do this, so I figured I'd show you guys how to do it. If not, if you're shipping high volume, obviously the box might be a better option for you guys. And even if you're shipping a lot of sheets, you can actually buy the thing that rolls them up together, but that's a whole different thing. I think that most of you guys, when starting out, are going to be actually shipping out these individual sheets, so this is going to be perfect for you guys. If you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hull Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.